and then it will automatically go back and forth so many times before it stops. My foot is actually still all the way down on the presser foot. So the other projects that we're going to be working on are a cupcake pin cushion. Isn't this the most adorable little project?
Oh yeah.
And the kit that you get with the class also comes with this little cupcake stand.
Oh, so cute.
Alright.
Alright.
And then we're going to be doing a tea towel.
Oh, how lovely.
Okay. Using some vinyl to make a mason jar. I don't know if you've seen the home decor stuff out recently, but it has lots of different mason jar aspects for your home. So this is another way to bring mason jars into your decor.
Really close, and if you notice I just keep pulling that fabric up. I want to show you how close I'm cutting. I'm going to be doing this. This is one of the Kimberbell, and I put some stabilizer underneath there, so you can actually see a snowflake in the middle of there, but you don't see any of the edges of the previous appliques through there. So that was kind of a little added thing that we did with it. This is part of the Kimberbell Academy, the Kimberbell workshops that we run here at the store, and we have a whole bunch of them going on coming up. And this one's from the Merry and Bright, and it's called Deck Balls.